Hey everyone, glad to see you back on my channel. Today we continue exploring the 5-second scalping strategy. We are using two indicators, a great combo, but today I want to try new settings. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be interesting. You know what else is going to be interesting? And it will be fun. There is a hidden surprise in this video. It's giveaway. Watch closely. I will give away $10 in USDT from my personal wallet. The task will appear somewhere in the middle of this video. Let's dive in. So today we're back to our favorite combo, Keltner channel plus stochastic. Last week I withdrew 20,000, so already spent it. So now I'm going to improve that result. We're on 5-second time frame again. Here's what I will do. Keltner channel period 5, ATR 5, middle line removed. Stochastic changing the period from 10 to 5 as well for more sensitivity. Let me say like this. I'm just practice with new settings of this combo of indicators. That's going to give us quicker signals. Well, first plus from 300. Logic is the same, we're looking for crosses on stochastic. And let me pick more pairs, because let me pick the as more as I can, only high payouts. 92%. We keep watching for crossovers and candle wicks touching Keltner boundaries. Like here. The wick almost touched the border. And just one candle low, we saw a crossover. That's my signal. I enter for 5 seconds. Well, nope. That didn't work opening. 900. Okay, let's go for 2000. That was the perfect start, but we cover losses and win plus. Okay, just the trading, and we practice the new strategy, new settings, which is important, highly important for me to practice it. Okay. 1,800, it's minus. Oh, not that good. Okay, 2,000 again. Even 4,000. Well, we're back in the green. That was risky. But we recovered. Dropping to 500 now. Here's the good signal. I see crossover. I hear touching. I hear the touching. I see. Minus. No. Let me put to 1,000. And this is the plus. Okay, we're back to 500. And it's another plus. Still a lot of potential on this pair. Sell position. Well, yes. We good. Well, let's check from another entry point. Okay. I really like this spot, 500, after touching. Well, this is the profit. Boom. Another 500. Okay, reverse. Another 500. Boom. Another profit. I love this sound. I love this feeling. Okay, let's pick another pair. Let's find a more clean entry point. 500 here. Just based on my intuition. Well, that's plus after crossover on stochastic, which is important. Another one, another plus. Yeah. Okay. Let's check another entry point. Okay. It's not perfect here. Let's check another one. Oh, whoa. Yes. This is my chance to print the money. Even first one in minus, martingale, multiplicator, and we good now. We good. Let's go next. Okay. First is minus. And 1000 in minus, let me add 2500. Okay, plus profit. Whoa, profit, guys. Just remember this word, the most important word in trading. Unfortunately, 1000 is minus. Let me open for 2000. And we're back. That's good feeling. That's really good feeling. Well, let me back for 500. It's okay size for this session, for this tasting of the new settings of the strategy. And this is another plus. You see, we're going well. Let me buy another 500. Okay, another 2000. Well, we cover losses and we in plus. We going. The dynamic is good. The session going well. Yes, I really like these new settings. For 5 seconds, it sounds much better. It's working much better. Well, another touch of the border, another crossover, just printing money. Just printing money here. Easy money. 1000. Boom! Another profit. Let's wait for another signal. 500. We're going good. No, the first one was not good, but 2000, not good. It's minus. It's minus. Well, 2500. Trade. Boom. We're here. Welcome back. Let me jump to 1000 now. Sell position. Yes. Profit. And this is the profit. Hey, someone messaging me desperately on Telegram. Guys, feel free to text me on Telegram if you want to join my private club on Telegram, or you want, I don't know, promo code for 60%. It's always good. By the way, this is the good option. After this trade, let me give you a giveaway. Well, yes, especially now I made this money, and let me tell you about giveaway. So, drop a comment under this video with the word profit. And watch this video until the end for all details on how to take a free 10 USDT from me. While we're taking profits confidently, we're printing money today. This one, let me pick the pair. This 1000 trade. It's just return. Well, anyway, it's a quite clear signal for me. And yes, another one, it's a profit. $900 extra profit. Still some potential this pair, but let me pick another one. Let me pick another one. This feels like easy money, right? But it's not easy, believe me. It's quite risky. It's quite stressful. But it's still something what I really love to do. This is my favorite hustle. Scalping, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. I love the strategies. That's why today, next to you, I'm trying the new settings, same indicators, but I want to try to make it better, to more effective. And for now, we're going really good. Okay, watch here. The wick is touched the border. We see the crossover, a couple of candles before. Let me open for 500. But let's wait. No. Here's the perfect. Let me open here. 500. No, minus, it's okay. 1,500. Boom. 2 trades in plus and 1 just returned. Well, 3,000. That's good. Let's go next. Another signal? Or not? No. Let me just pick another pair. To be honest with you, here looks like all the potential. It's already over. No, let's go next. Next pair. Hey, we already double up our budget, guys. 23k from 11. Can you imagine? That's good. I can finish the session actually. But just for my followers, I will go next and I will trade a bit more. Let me try to make some money, guys. I hope you remember the word I ask you to remember and leave it in comments. Leave this word in comments to have extra money. That's not too much, but you can make 10 trades on this money. I do have a great video here on this channel when I made a good profit, more than 1,000 from $10, guys. So just follow the strategy and trade, especially if it's for free. No risk trading. Okay, 500. Profit. Another one. Probably not. 1,500. Okay. Oh, it was a good one. Still, believe in this pair, believe in buy position here. During the strategy, you can see crossover. You can see the border touching. Well, let me just find something else. Yes, here's the perfect one. Sell position, it doesn't matter. First one in minus, it doesn't matter. 2,000, I'm sure about this 2,000. Yes, you see, it's working. Another one, it's still good chance, it's good entry point here. Here's another clear profit, guys, clear profit. We just made a great amount of money and I'm happy, and I will practice with the settings again and again and again. Alright, during this session we check a new settings and we hit $30,000. Hope you enjoyed this session. How, as I promised it, giveaway time. Leave a comment with the word. And next week I'll pick a winner via randomizer. I will post a video on my Telegram channel and on next video on this channel on YouTube. So I will send $10 in USDT from my wallet to the winner. But don't forget, always trade with the bonus. Use promo code Dawit for a 50% deposit bonus and 60% If you want it, just message me on Telegram. Link in the pinned comment. Hope you like this video. Hope you like this session. Hope you will share this video with your friends. Don't forget to put the likes and leave your comment below with new video ideas. Stay profitable, stay sharp, trade smart, and peace.